What's up guys, welcome back to another video. It's been a while, I'm not gonna lie. It's been what, like Thanksgiving? First off, Merry Christmas. Second off, Happy New Year's. Third off, thank you guys for 7,000 subscribers, man. I like, honestly, I noticed a little late just because haven't really been keeping up with it. But yeah, thank you guys, like I really appreciate it. I've been inactive on here, but I've been really active on Instagram. I'll post on there like every day. Bruh, I walked all over here and I forgot my keys. But yeah guys, I just want to say thank you to everybody for like the support and everything. You guys been showing mad love. I still get hella comments on my videos and stuff, older videos, newer videos, like all the time, almost every day to be honest. So it's pretty cool, you know. So thank you guys for the support and everything. I really appreciate it. But yeah, like thank you for 7,000. We're getting closer and closer to 10K. All right, I got my keys. Back to the car we go. But like I was saying, if you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys know that the M5, you guys can see right here, we gotta stay ref, guys. We gotta stay ref. I'm really upset. Honestly, I'm more upset at the fact that I didn't record none of it than like the actual stay ref. Because I mean, honestly, it's upsetting getting a stay ref. Obviously, nobody wants to go through that. I guess I can finally get that off my bucket list of things I didn't want to get. So yeah, it's really upsetting at the fact that I got the stay ref. But I mean, you already got it. What are you gonna do? Like, you can't just sit there and like be stressed, be sad. Like, you can't just let it ruin your days until you get it fixed or whatever, you know what I mean? So I'm not really even that stressed. I already got it. There's nothing I can really do about it. I'm already working on that. But yeah, what I'm more upset about is the fact that I didn't record nothing. And the reason I didn't record nothing is because, so they pulled me over, guys. I was literally going like 5 miles per hour. And they pulled me over and I'm like, okay. At first I was like, oh, I'm gonna record, but I didn't see my camera around. And then I was like, oh, that's cool. Like, in my head I was like, there's not really anything they can do because my car's cool, like my car's fine. I drive by cops all the time. I pass cops, I see cops. My car is always like, there's cops everywhere, you know what I mean? And I've had the car like this for a long ass time already. So in my head I was like, nothing's gonna happen, like it's cool, so why record? And then I ended up seeing my camera in the car, but I was like, nah, like I don't need to record. And then they freaking gave me a stay ref, dude. They made me pop the hood. This fool took pictures of my Instagram, took pictures of like the whole car around, and it's like, I don't know, man. Let me show you guys something. This dude really made me pop my hood, and I was like, oh, it's stock under here. He's like, oh, under here? He's like, what about your exhaust? I'm like, it's stock. Like, I got the car like this. And then he's looking right, he's looking around, and I'm like, stock intakes. I'm like, these are called intercoolers. Those are stock. He's looking around and everything. He's like, what's this? And I'm like, oh my god, bro. I'm like, this is just a little spacer that helps the cooling line stay up because like it messes with like it messes things up. And he's like, oh well, that right there, that's engine modification, so that shouldn't be there. I was like, dude, this, bro, seriously? I'm about to paint this black, dude. But yeah, he really wanted to call that an engine modification out of everything else because he couldn't find anything. But yeah, anyways, enough with that. I got the stay ref, unfortunately. So I haven't really been wanting to risk anything. I haven't driven the car. I think this weekend's gonna be 3 weeks. So just over 2 weeks that I haven't driven the car. I've been driving the X5. But yeah, anyways, I just wanted to like catch you guys up on that. For those of you who don't know from YouTube, obviously, if you guys don't follow me on Instagram. But yeah, today what we're gonna do, I'm really upset at the fact that I didn't record though. I think that would have been like a good video for you guys that you guys would want to watch. But yeah, oh well. It's just like, I don't know how I got pulled over going 5 miles per hour and get a stay ref. Anyways, this is something I've been wanting to do for a little while now. I just haven't pulled the trigger because I don't want to regret it. But as many of you guys know, I did change the X-pipe on the car to a carbon exhaust one, and it's now discontinued, which makes it a little harder for me to do it. But it's like, I do miss my old sound a little bit. I love the sound. Like, it took me a little bit to get used to it, but after I got used to it, I loved it. It sounds super sick. But I do sometimes miss my old exhaust a little bit, and I was gonna trade somebody my whole exhaust for somebody's stock exhaust plus a little bit of cash, but I couldn't find nobody right now. And I just somebody does want my X-pipe already, so I was like, okay, I'll just sell my X-pipe, get mine back on. And plus, if I did trade somebody, it would have to be in a competition exhaust because I think it's different from the non-comp. So yeah guys, I'm about to go to the exhaust shop right now and put my stock X-pipe back on. And yeah, hopefully I don't regret it because I'm not going to be able to get this X-pipe back because technically it's already sold. They just need to come pick it up. So yeah, for those of you who did like the new sound, sorry, but I do miss the old one a little bit. I do have a few more plans exhaust wise coming soon. But yeah, I just want my old X-Pipe on for now. Anyways, I don't want to drag this video hella long, just me sitting here recording. So it's been just over 2 weeks. Let's see if this car will turn on right now. Hopefully it turns on, bro. And they freaking pulled me over with 12 miles of gas, dude. Damn, over 2 weeks, no star, and it started up like a champ. I think I left my hood open. All right, maybe it didn't latch on both sides. Sheesh, this car needs a massive wash, bro. Really bad wash. The wheels are disgusting. It's been sitting for the past, like I said, over 2 weeks, and it's been raining all these 2 weeks. So the car is like nasty. Damn, bro, it started right up. Low-key kind of surprised. Anyways, guys, yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna put everything I just said in there, just because I noticed it's like 7 minutes. That's a long ass time of me recording and just talking. But we're about to head to the exhaust shop right now. I'm gonna put my stock X-Pipe back on, and we're gonna see how it sounds. And I'm really excited because I do kind of miss my old exhaust. So yeah, I'm gonna let the car warm up real quick. I'm gonna load my old X-Pipe in the car, that way I don't forget it. And then I'll pick up the camera probably just once we're close to the exhaust shop. But yeah, anyways, guys, without further ado, we'll see you guys in a bit. By the way, guys, just in case you didn't know what the stock X-Pipe looks like, well, this is the stock X-Pipe and the resonators, what they look like on the M5 competition package exhaust. I believe it's different from the non-comp. It's completely cut through, guys. There's literally nothing in here like really, I guess, blocking the sound, but I think the resonators do change the sound of it, as well as this X-Pipe, obviously. So even though they're not technically resonators blocking any sound out, the way they're shaped and like formed changes the sound of the exhaust. So yeah, just in case you guys wanted to see what they look like, these are from a competition package model M5 exhaust. Yeah, whatever that means. Damn, bro, I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna miss this exhaust. This thing sounds so sick. But, I mean, we're already on our way, man. Damn it, I hope I don't regret this. Let's see what happens. It's official, guys. They're doing it. Oh my god, it's not going back no more. Hope I don't regret this. Old X-Pipe's off already. Oh no. Alright, it's finally done, guys. I'm kind of scared to kind of hear what it sounds like. I haven't really heard it. I just like went around the corner. But I was going like 5 miles per hour. So I haven't really heard it that much yet, but I'm kind of scared, kind of nervous. Damn, what if I don't like this no more? And then I gotta put the X-Pipe back on. Nah, I'm not doing that no more. That sounds way different. I'm gonna have to get used to this again, man. The downshift sounds pretty nice. Alright guys, we're actually back home now. Honestly, it sounds really different. I don't even remember what it used to sound like when I first got the car, to be honest. But yeah, I think I'm gonna have to get used to this again. It doesn't sound bad though. It definitely does sound better, like on full throttle. But like I said, I think it's just something to get used to again. Like the main point of this video though was to like give you guys an update. What's up with the M5? Why I haven't made videos and stuff like that. This is kind of one of the reasons why I haven't made videos, guys. I haven't been driving it. I don't want to risk getting pulled over and like complicating the situation even more, because it doesn't have the state ref. So I kind of just want to let it sit until the state ref is like figured out, and then I can drive it again. I just don't want to make the situation more complicated. So I haven't been driving it at all. But even though it's going to be sitting, I do have mods for it that I do want to put on. So I already have a few lined up that I'm pretty sure you guys will be really excited for, and I'm actually really excited for. But you guys can hear the exhaust right there. Some kind of future plans for the channel. I do plan on just making videos that I want to make. Oftentimes I don't make videos because I feel like it's not something that you guys would really want to watch, or something that would like get a lot of views or something like that. Not that I get a lot of views in the first place, but I feel like it's not something that would really attract people, so I don't make videos. But I think I'm gonna just start making videos on everything I want to make, everything I like, every single thing I do to the cars and stuff. Because I don't make a lot of videos for the X5 because I feel like it's not, you guys aren't really attracted to the X5 videos. But I mean, I'm doing things to the X5 anyway, so might as well film it, you know, at least for memories. But yeah. Completely honest, I don't know anymore if I like this one more, if I like the old one more. But that's how I felt when I first put the other X5 on, so I'm gonna have to wait it out and see. But I'm not going back to the other X5 anyway, so I'm gonna just have to get used to this one now. Yeah. I really can't wait to get the state ref taken care of though, because honestly I really miss driving the car. I want to go on a nice little cruise, and honestly I probably can. I just really don't want to risk getting pulled over again and just, like I said, complicating the situation more. But I really miss this car, man. This car is so nice. Maybe not to everybody, but to me, this car is perfect. I think the idle is even a little different. Just a little bit. Sheesh. This thing's so sick. There's hella people around here. They're just staring at me. Damn, dude. I can't wait for you to see the new mods. I'm really excited. I think it's really gonna change the car, exterior wise. And I'll give you guys a little hint. There's something in the engine bay. And some of you guys actually seen it on my Instagram, but yeah. Anyways guys, I'm gonna just go ahead and end the video right here. Like I said, this is kind of more of just like a little update video of like what's up with the M5, why I haven't been posting and stuff. But starting off the new year, guys, once again though, happy New Year's, happy Merry Christmas and everything. Sorry I missed it, guys. But starting off the year, I just want to go more like into YouTube, into more like modding the M5 and just having fun with it, to be honest. I'm working on getting a new job that would help me pretty much just mod the M5 more, give me more money to be able to do things to this car, more upgrades, more maintenance stuff. I still want to get the clutch done and just let me do more to the car and stuff. And also I do want to expand the content a little bit. It's always going to stay cars related, obviously, but I feel like I've been stuck in this thing where I'm just posting like mods maybe maintenance, something I fixed. But I think I want to do more like vlog style videos with the cars, whether it's going out with my friends, whether it's hanging out with my friends, whether it's like I don't know, anything guys, anything that I'm doing car related, even though it's not like me installing a mod or something like that. I think I just want to film it. I honestly just really enjoy the process of just filming and editing and looking over what I created, the video I created. I think it's really cool, like, to me. And yeah, like I said, you know, just focus on having fun with it. But yeah, I'm just going to end it here, guys. I'm pretty sure I dragged this video out way too long already. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of the exhaust. I'm still kind of iffy about it, to be honest, but that's how I felt when I first installed the other X-Pipe, so I'm just gonna try to get used to it. But yeah, let me know what you guys think, and let me know if you guys have any video ideas that I can do. Like I said, guys, I'm still on a budget. I'm probably one of the only M5 owners on the budget, one of the only M5 owners on the budget. If there's any videos you guys would like to see where I don't have to spend a whole bunch of money, let me know in the comment section below. I know a lot of you guys still want dragging numbers and stuff, guys. It's just I can never find like a long road or something that I feel comfortable recording without like being worried that I'm gonna get pulled over or something. Like, we have the freeways, but that's still, you never know if you're gonna get pulled over, you know. So that's one of the main reasons why I haven't done those dragging videos and stuff. But yeah, guys, if you did enjoy the video, please make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to let me know in the comment section below what kind of videos you guys want to see again. And yeah, without further ado, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video once again, and I'll see you all in the next one.